Robbers raid ZANU-PF Legal Secretary Patrick Chinamasa's farm, steal vehicle and a gun. Sanapena mashoko ashamisa vanhu anombokochinza kuti aiwa Patrick Chinamasa ubirwa motokari yake pamwechete negun. Ndodipo subscribe like turn the bell icon. Tipenda mwana uzvizere mubudani kwaMchinzi. In a daring heist, armed robbers raided the farm of ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa, making off with a brand new Mazda BT50 double cab vehicle, a pistol and other valuables. The robbery occurred under the cover of darkness when 4 men overpowered the security guard stationed at the main entrance of the farm before targeting the farm manager. The suspect tied up both men, marched them into the main farmhouse and covered them with the blankets while they ransacked the property. Details of the heist. According to Mrs. Chinamasa, the robbers were thorough in their search for money, overturning beds, sofas, and combing through every room in the house. In course, they took the car keys of my brand new Mazda BT50 blue in color, which we were yet to register. It had only traveled for 12,000 kilometers. They also took a pistol from the gun cabinet, a box of cooking oil, and a set of kitchen knives. It was more of money which they wanted, Mrs. Chinamasa told Manila Post. The robbers are believed to have arrived at the farm in a white Toyota Wish vehicle, which may have been used as their getaway car. Thomas right now the police they are now under investigation vachiinvestigata aiwa zvichiitiko ichi chekuti aiwa Chinamasa anaposvingirwa kuti matsotsi vachitsvaka mari. Toona kuti motokari yake pamwechete negane nezvimwe zvemavaluables zvoya zvotogwa. Imbudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Abvina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu. Musanga subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.